Yo, YouTube people, this is your boy Jupi on the beat, and today I'm getting new, more people have been asking me how I record my vocal and there is noise. Now your problem have been solved. So let's go to Cubase, and I'm going to show you how I do it by using Cubase store plugins. Probably most of the time the noise is from the interface you are using, but no okay. And when you are recording, make sure that you are not clipping. I'm not clipping, and that is right place for you to record there. So I'm just going to record and makes you see how it feels. Over money about can bitches a warrior about me a can money my dream see can I put no time for darling. So I have my beat here, and this my vocal. Over money about can bitches a warrior about me a can money my dream see can I put no time for darling. So you can see our noise, there's noise, there's no doubt about it. I have a noise, so okay, I'll silence it. You can go here and go to process and go to silence, but I mean I've selected and listen, and comment if you like how to silence it. You want to know, pick a key for your silence that will make you suffering anytime you are recording something. So that is that. So I just, if I'm done, so I'm just going to use fab filter, EQ, to clear all the bass side with the low pass filter, and this is the high pass filter in case you don't know. So I'm going to play bitches a warrior about me a can money my dream see can I put no time for darling. So as you can see, so I'll put up my my Cubase gate, this one, and preset here called clean up lead vocal. So you may choose it. And over money about can bitches a warrior about me a can bitches a it seems like it has get some. So warrior about me a can bitches a warrior about me a can so bitches a warrior about me a can so money bitches a warrior about me a can. So you can feel that it's getting very small. So I'll put the Almighty, the plugins do the magic, this, and you can go to preset around maybe low, it can solve it. So here, this one, money about can bitches a warrior about me a can money my dream see can I put no time for darling money about can bitches a warrior about me a can bitches a warrior about me a can. So even you can remove the gate, money can, so you can even screw like this. Bitches a warrior about me a can play money my dream bitches a warrior about me a can money about can any plugin bitches a warrior about me a can I feel it money my dream money about can. So like to this video, subscribe to this video, leave your comments, and that this one, the link below. And this is a Jupi on the beat, and we gang to the music for life. Gang.